Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the world where creativity meets mindfulness. This festive season, let's transform simple bottles into beautiful piece of art. With just a touch of jute, burlap, ribbon and glowing lights, you can create a stunning bottle decoration that not only brighten your home but also fill your heart with joy. Bottle craft is more than just decoration, it's a practice of mindfulness. Every wrap of jute, every brush of paint, every little ornament placed with care helps us slow down, breathe, enjoy the present moment. This bottle creation are perfect for Xmas, New Year, wedding, and upcoming festive gathering. From glittering centerpiece to cozy lamp bottle, each design adds elegance and warmth to your celebration. And here's the best part: your creativity can also grow into a business. Start small, share your crafts online, display them at local fairs, and give them to loved ones. Each handmade piece carries your personal story, and people love buying something meaningful. So, this season, we will show you very beautiful and amazing designs of bottle recycle, bottle recraft, very unique and interesting ideas of this. So whether you are preparing for Xmas, New Year or any upcoming festival, stay with me for beautiful ideas that will light up your home and inspire your journey. Let's begin the basic for bottles decoration. You will need simple items: empty glass bottles, burlap, jute ropes, ribbon paints, fairy lights and ornaments. Step 1. Clean your bottles thoroughly. A clear polished surface is like a blank canvas. Step 2. Choose your style. Do you want something rustic with jute and pine cones, elegant with gold and glitter, or cozy with fairy lights inside? So what do you think about that? The next is step 3. Add details. Wrap the bottle, snag with twine, add a bow, glue on beads, crochet add, burlap add, or little ornaments. Even a single ribbon tied neatly can make a bottle look festive and beautiful. Remember, bottle craft is not about perfection, it's about presence. Each touch you add brings mindfulness, reminding us to slow down and enjoy the process. Now let's look at ideas for this season. For Xmas, paint your bottle in red, green or gold. Then add mini ornaments or snow spray for a wintry effect. Place fairy lights inside for a glowing centerpiece. For New Year celebration, try metallic paints, silver, black or gold, and add numbers of wishes for the new year. Imagine a bottle that says 2026 shining on your table. For weddings or family gatherings, wrap bottles with lace, pearls or pastel shades. These make elegant vases for flowers or candle holders. It will look how welcoming you are. And don't forget festivals like Eid, Diwali or cultural fairs can also shine with decorated bottles and add traditional patterns, fabric or cultural symbol to make them unique. When you decorate bottles, now let's talk about mindfulness. When you decorate bottles, notice how your hands move, how colors blend, how texture feel. This simple act can bring calmness to your mind. Every note of jute rope, every stroke of paint, every bead glued on with patience. It all connects you to the present moment. Crafting is therapy. It reduces stress, builds focus, and gives you joy in a busy festival season. It reminds us that beauty comes from slowing down, breathing, and creating with intentions. And here's the exciting part: bottle craft isn't just a hobby; it can also be a business. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God